Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix cellular or mobile data not working after iOS update on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the video. Solution number 1. Reset data network. For that, first launch settings, then tap mobile or cellular data. Next, tap on mobile data network. Scroll down and tap reset settings and tap reset again to confirm your action. Solution number 2. Reset network settings. For that, first launch settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap reset network settings, put your passcode and tap again reset network setting to confirm. Solution number 3. Reset statistics. For that, first launch settings, then tap mobile or cellular data, scroll down and tap reset statistics and tap again to confirm. Solution number 4. Turn off mobile data and force restart your device. For that, first launch settings, then tap mobile or cellular data, turn off mobile or cellular data, then force restart your iPhone. To force restart, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model. After force restart, go back to settings, mobile data and turn on mobile data. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.